What's up guys, Jaxel here. Just making a short video, and I mean short this time, showing a new feature we currently have available on the 8-way run. It's for the media library. I don't know about you guys, but I create a lot of media on YouTube. I mean, you can look at some of the playlists I have, and even for Apex 2014, I already have 104 videos on this playlist. Let's say I wanted to submit all 104 videos to the media library on 8-way run. In the past, that would have been a crap ton of work. I mean, I gotta submit every single video one by one. It takes time, and I'm sure most people don't want to do that. So, I created a new feature. Instead of just clicking Submit Media to submit a single video, you can now mouse over, and there's a new option for Submit Bulk Playlist. Right now, this feature only supports YouTube, but I will expand it to other services later. But the majority of our videos are YouTube, and so it should be fine for now. So if I click Submit Bulk Playlist, you see it asks for a URL to a playlist. Now I created a playlist called Test Playlist. It has 8 videos in it. I'm going to take that URL, put it in here. Now you're going to see parameters start and results. This is basically saying we're going to start at the beginning of the playlist and we're going to return 25 results. I'm going to show you what this works by lowering this to 5. So now it's only going to return 5 results, and click retrieve, and now you can see there's 5 results here, and it says there are 3 more in this playlist because as we can see there are 8 videos on this playlist. So if I wanted to retrieve the next 3, I would have to move the starting position up another 5, and so this will start at position 5 and return the next 5, up to 10. But since there's only 3 more, it just says the end of the playlist has been reached. So let's start over. Let's reset these all to normal values and click retrieve again. And now it's retrieved all 8. Now the reason for that positioning is because YouTube only supports returning up to 50 results. But 25 is a nice number, so I leave it on that for default. Okay, so we click retrieve, and now we have the entire playlist right here, 8 videos. As you can see, these bottom 3 videos are grayed out because it says this media already exists in the media library. Videos cannot exist multiple times. There's no reason for that. So those cannot be submitted. We look at the top. We can see default bulk settings. Basically, unless specifically designated in these videos, these are the settings the videos will be attached to. So I put it in a category. Let's, for testing reason, let's put them in fan-made videos. Game, for testing reason, let's set them to Soul Calibur 5, and playlist. Now what I did here is I created a playlist called Test Playlist in advance. You have to do it in advance. And now when I click add to playlist, I can say automatically add these videos to the playlist. Another simple step to make this easier. And of course, these are 5. They're checked. You can see the check marks. You can uncheck them by either clicking on the check mark or clicking on the image. For now, let's just do these last 2. So these 3 will not be submitted. But something I can do is I can click this edit button and get extended information. So by default, it's going to go in the fan-made category. I'm going to change that to go into teasers and trailers. And the default setting was also Soul Calibur 4. And I can set the Soul Calibur 5. Let's set it to Soul Calibur 2. I can change all the settings I want. I can add tags and whatnot. I can even link players. KD, Zaster. Okay, he's linked. I can change everything. I can even change the description. You'll notice that the description, though, is not WYSIWYG. It's pure BB code, bulletin board code. So if you want to edit this, you have to use BB code. The reason why it doesn't have the WYSIWYG is because you can have 50 results. And 50 results means you have 50 WYSIWYG forms on the page, and that can actually slow your computer down. Let's close that. And so we're going to add them. Basically, this one's going to go to fan-made Soul Calibur 4 because the customizations have not been defined. While this one's going to go to teasers and trailers, Soul Calibur 2, because it has been defined. And both of them will be added to the test playlist. We click save. Changes have been saved. And it forwarded us to the playlist since we selected one. and they're right there. The 4 characters tagged in this first video. This first video, as you can see, placed in teasers and trailers, tagged K-Disaster, the 4 tags, Soul Calibur 2, and the next video, Soul Calibur 5, because that was the default fan-made video, which was also the default, and no tags or players tagged to it. Very simple new feature. I imagine it's going to make it easier for a lot of people to submit videos, and it will be available publicly in the next version of XenMedio Pro. Anyway, peace out, guys, and thanks for watching.